Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today I am going to teach a new concept as combination. In the word itself it says that two things are combined, right? Two or more than combinations, right? Combination is nothing but combination is a selection of items is a selection of items from a collection such that the order of the selection doesn't matter. Order of selection doesn't matter. Does not matter, right? Or different selection without repetition. The process of, you can say like this also, the process of different selection without repetition. Different selection without repetition. Is called combination. Or in other words, that too in a simplest way, is combination or for groups. Combinations are for groups. Order doesn't matter. Order doesn't matter. Right? Before entering into the exercise, let us play. Right? See here. Here is an interview. Okay? Interview. We are going to select 2 office assistants out of 4 persons. An interview. You have to imagine that an interview is going to be happen in that 2 office assistants are to be selected out of 4 persons, namely, you have to take X, Y, W and Z. Right? 4 person, we name it as X, Y, W and Z. In that we are going to select 2. Right? The selection ought to be, you people should say, I need 2 persons. Right? How to select, any idea, whatever it is, you have to discuss with me. Right? The selection may be, XY, XW, XZ, YW, YZ and WZ. Got it, children? This is the way. We cannot write or we cannot say YX. YX. Got it? What I am saying, whether did you understand or not? Since XY and YZ are same, right? We can't write we cannot write YX since XY and YX are same, right? Therefore, number of ways. How many selection you have done here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of selection 2 persons out of 4 is 6, right? It is represented by, we are discussing the combination, right? It is represented by 4C2. Number of 4 persons, you are going to select 2. So, (4C2). Now I am going to introduce the definition, how to write. Definition: combination is the selection of n things taken R at a time without repetition out of n things or things can be selected in NCR because it is a combination. NCR, the same way we read, right? I have taught you that NPR, right? You know the concept NPR. NCR. What is the meaning of NCR? The expansion I am going to give: n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. 0 less than or equal to r less than or equal to n. Got it, children? Now, some results, properties I am going to give. You have to listen. Property number 1. Properties number 1. NC not equal to NCN equal to 1. Property number 2. NC1 equal to n. Property number 3. NC2 equal to n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. These properties and all you have to keep it in your mind. It is easy when it comes under the sum. Now, NCX equal to, that is property number 4. NCX equal to NCY, either X equal to Y or x plus y equal to n. Next, NCR equal to NC n minus r. NCR equal to NC n minus r. The result alone you have to read. Right? The proof we don't want. NCR plus NCR minus 1 equal to n plus 1 CR. Property number 7. NCR equal to NPR divided by R factorial. Divided by R factorial. These are the properties. Some of the properties I have given to you. You have to read and keep. You don't want to learn the proof. Only result alone you have to read it thoroughly. Got it, children? Now, I am going to move to the exercise 7.4. Exercise 7.4. Question number 1. If NC8 equal to NC2, find NC2. Find NC2. Here I gave one property, that is fourth property. What I said? NCX equal to NCY. Either X is equal to Y or X plus Y equal to N. Here which is suit? The second one. Right. So 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Right. This is your X. This is your Y. X plus Y equal to 10. So what is your N at present? N equal to 10. X plus Y equal to N. Now 10 they are asking to find NC2. Sorry, instead of find I wrote if. Sorry children. Find NC2. So N you know 10. So NC2 is equal to 10C2, which is equal to, see, based on R you are going to expand. 2 is there. So 2 term only should be, you have to write it in the reverse order in the numerator. Right? You have to write it in the reverse order in the numerator. 2 terms only. That means how will you write? 10 into 9 divided by 2 into 1. It is one method. I will explain through the formula also. Right? See, 10C2. What is NCR formula? N factorial. The first method is the easiest method. The second one I am going to explain in the formula. NCR equal to N factorial divided by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Then 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, which is equal to 10 factorial, 8 factorial into 2 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 8 factorial into 2 into 1 equal to, sorry, 10 into 5. Oh, sorry children. 1 minute. How I did the cancellation like this? Sorry, extremely sorry for this. 10 into 9, this is 5. 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. So, 2 into 5, which is equal to 45. Got it? Using the formula also you are arriving the same result. Right? Instead of using formula, the first method is easy. That's why I taught both the things. Which you feel comfortable, that you should adapt. Right? Now, the second one, determine n if 2nc3 is to nc2 equal to 12 is to 1. See here 2nc3, right? 2nc3 means how will you write? You have to write it in the reverse order. That should be only 3 terms in the numerator, right? 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 3, right? Divided by 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, divide 2n minus 2, 2n minus 2 divided by 3 factorial is to n into n minus 1 divided by 2 factorial equal to 12 is to 1. The ratio can be written as a fraction, that you know very well, right children? Now 2n minus 1, here you have to take 2 as common, 2 into n minus 1 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, the whole thing divided by n into n minus 1 divided by 2 into 1. See here, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 cancel, n minus 1 cancel, n cancel, which is equal to 12 divided by 1. Now, what are the things are rest in the numerator? 2 2s are 4 into 2n minus 1 divided by 3 equal to 12 by 1. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Then you cross multiply. You will get it as 2n minus 1 equal to 9, 2n equal to 10, n equal to 5. Have you all understood children? Say yes or no. N equal to 5. The second subdivision. The second subdivision also the same. What it is given? The second subdivision is 2nc3. 2nc3 is to nc3 equal to 11 is to 1. The same. Based on your OR, you have to expand the terms. 3 is there, no? So you have to write only 3 terms in the numerator. That is 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. The whole thing divided by n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 11 by 1. See 3 by 3 into 2 into 1, 3 into 2 into 1 cancel. Now n cancel, 2 into 2n minus 1. In the second bracket 2 you can take it as a common. The whole thing divided by n minus 1 into n minus 2 equal to 11 by 1. N minus 1 cancel. You have to cross multiply. Now 4 8n, right? 2 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 8n minus 4 equal to 11n minus 22. Then minus 3n equal to minus 18. Therefore, n equal to 6. The minus 4 it will move to this side, plus the plus 11 come under this side means you will get it as what? Which implies I will write it here. 8n minus 11n equal to minus 22 plus 4. So, minus 3n equal to minus 18. Therefore, n equal to 6. Now, question number 3. What it is? How many chords can be drawn through? It is an interesting question, right? How many chords can be drawn through 21 points 21 points on a circle. Chord means a line segment, it divides a circle into two parts. One is a major segment and minor segment. Chord means how many points you need. You need to construct how many points? 2 points, right? Line segment has 2n points. That you know very well, right? How many chords can be drawn? How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? Now, a chord is obtained. A result you see, solution. A chord is obtained by joining any 2 points on a circle. Any 2 points on a circle. So, here how many points they given? 21 points. Total number of chords drawn through 21 points is same as the number of ways of selecting 2 points out of 21 points. Out of 21 points. So, it can be done in how many ways? It can be done in 21C2. Therefore, total number of chords equal to CORDS, chord, right? Equal to 21C2. That can be. I told you, based on this, you are going to expand the number in the numerator, right? You are going to expand the number in the numerator. Here 2 is there. So, 21 you should write it as a reverse order. That means, how will you write? 21 into 20 divided by 2 into 1. Then it becomes 210. If you want to apply the formula, you can apply. You will get the same result. This is the shortest way to find the answer, right? Based on this, the number should be, write it in the reverse order. That should be exist in the numerator, right? 2. So 21 into 22 numbers should be exist in the numerator, right? N, you have to write it in the reverse order. That should be only 2 terms. Got it? Here your N is 21. So you wrote 21 into 20. Got it, children? Thank you, children.